I have. Good afternoon, Mr. Thaddeus. How dare you say good morning? What the? Did you just wake up? You heard of your chat. Clip everything. What do you mean? Dude, Stone, I've been actually making a ton of cool backwards plays this weekend. Just, that one's getting clipped. Two on stairs, one outside heavy.
Got one stairs.
Good job. Took my morning shit and ordered some breakfast. Dope, dude. Sounds like a good combination of stuff to do. Yeah, I feel you, Dylan. Yeah, I mean, but declared, my counter to that is that I think it's actually been a very refreshing for me